Welcome to my channel. In my first video I will be fixing my favorite 1/4" toolkit. The most often used screwdriver attachments are one, which are the number 2 Phillips and the number 2 poser drive. This was a really cheap kit from some discount supermarket tool week, and it performed much better than expected. The ratchet and hex head sockets work perfectly and haven't worn, so I would like to keep this complete set usable. I bought these replacement bits, let's hope they are as solid as the package suggests. You can't just pull the bits out of the socket adapters, so my mission today is to make 2 sets of attachments for my arbor press, one which allows me to extract the old bits and one for inserting the new ones without damaging them. I had this material lying around, so I will try to design the pieces to fit the stock available. So first I'm going to make some sketches just to make sure I don't overlook a critical measurement while I'm machining. That's very easy to do in my experience. The finished parts will most likely look slightly different from my drawings, but you know, life. Here we have the sketches. This set is for extracting the old worn bit, and this set is for inserting the fresh bit. And now we're off to the machine shop. Anyone wonders how I managed to drill into my chuck off center? This chuck was very cheap, and I suspect it was used in a rotary table before. Good going, man. I suspect it was used in a rotary table before, and hence the drill damage. But they seem to have drilled it in a way that it balances out, so it doesn't make my lathe walk all over the place. Alright, so that's part 1 done. That's the part you just watched me make. This needs to be deburred, that needs to be deburred, but I'm going to do this with a hand countersink tool. That's pretty nice. Goes there. Next, that one. This needs to be squared up on 2 sides because of my awesome sawing skills. Let's pick the better side first. So here's my arbor press. I used a clamp to fix it to my desk because I currently don't have a suitable workbench. I will first remove all the bits, then insert the new ones, just so I don't have to switch tooling all the time. I will replace the number 1 and number 2 posi drive and Phillips bits. The number 2s I already presented to you, and I have since acquired some number 1s which are ribbed for better performance. And here is what my machine spat out. This stencil is an old high-speed steel drill bit shank. I already tried this with a plain mild steel piece and it just deformed the stencil. I just hope the high-speed steel doesn't crumble, but I couldn't find anything of fitting dimensions between the two materials. Our extractor tool. Then we have the, whatever you call this, bit goes in. So here is how they go out. So those two did their jobs. Next up, this one. I'm using the toolkit to fix the toolkit. So, okay, we'll take the posi drive size 1 with the new fancy pants bit. Fancy pants got some dirt on it, some packaging or something. Well, I don't judge. So. So this concludes my little adventure. All in all, I'm quite satisfied with the result, and if any other bits wear, I now have the tooling to maintain this toolkit in the future with very little effort. And who knows, perhaps it will turn out to be handy for other purposes as well. If you've enjoyed this video, I don't have to tell you what to do. If you didn't enjoy this video, I'm very sorry, go f*** yourself. And thanks for watching. Hate is welcome.